Hello, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord CE. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, enter Settings and go to Security and Lock Screen. Now enter lock screen passcode, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of the lock screens: none, swipe, pattern, pin and password. Firstly, let's select none. Now swipe, password, pin, and at the end pattern. Now that it's done, we can go to fingerprint unlock and scan our fingerprint to use it to unlock the phone. And our fingerprint sensor is right here. Last way to unlock the phone is face unlock. You just have to simply scan your face in order to use it to unlock the phone. So scan your face in this area. Now my face has been scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.